Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this presentation, I will share my Azure AI-102 exam journey. I will talk honestly about my mistakes. I will explain what went wrong in my first attempts. I will also share what helped me finally pass. This presentation is fully based on real experience, exam experience. I prepared for this exam more than 3 times, 2+ months. Each attempt taught me something new. Some lessons came from success, some lessons came from failure. This journey was not easy, but it was worth it in the end. I made several mistakes during my preparation. Many candidates repeat the same mistakes. I did not repeat my mistakes next time. I created this video to help you avoid them. These are not textbook tips. These are real exam lessons. They can save time and marks. I hope this will help you. My biggest mistake was not knowing about the case study section. Generally, in every Microsoft exam has a case study, and the case study follows the different questions and answers. The exam included a case study about Contoso company. Like this, Contoso has branches in France, Portugal, Spain. They have many videos used by different departments, and they want to analyze the videos, translate them, check performance, and control access by role, like role security, and also they have different scenario. Like they wanted to convert the incoming call. They have customer care, so this kind of case study I got the exam. This case study has 6 questions, and unfortunately, okay, I did not know about this test. I did not know about this case study, and a total I answered. I thought that I answered all the questions. I have verified. Yeah, I have seen 52 questions, and I wanted to submit the exam before 1 minute prior to the time. So when I'm submitting the exam, I came to know this case study. So that means I missed 6 questions. That means the exam had a total of 58 questions in general. Because of my poor time planning and lack of information about the case study, I answered only 52. 6 questions were left unanswered. I realized this only after submitting the exam. So those unanswered questions cost me heavily. I failed. This was a painful lesson. I failed my first attempt. My score was below the passing mark. I got 686, but pass mark is 700. This was disappointing at first, but it helped me analyze my weak areas. I understood that preparation alone is not enough. Exam strategy also matters. So that's why I have revised the previous exam papers multiple times. I analyzed them many times, and I revised the concepts multiple times. So this is my another mistake. So I can say mistake 2. sequence error. So some questions. So here we have a question. So here is a six questions, six options, six actions are there. So we need to drag four options. I know the concept. I know this answer, but I forgot the correct order for few questions. I selected wrong answer because of this. These were easy, marks lost. So that's why what I did was I have taken the screenshot. I have revised this multiple times. So I got the enough practice before the exam. The solution is simple but important. The solution, I know the solution for the previous question and such kind of questions. Practice more scenario based questions. So that is much more important. Understand the flow, not just definitions. Memorize the important sequences where required. Do not rush while answering. Read each option carefully. And if you read carefully, we came to know the important word, or we can say magic word. So based on that, we can easily answer the question, and also we can easily remember the question and answer. So we should flash word or important word or magic words. So we should note magic words, and that is the very important word to get the answer, to uh, remind the answer. So we should follow that each and every time. Read each option carefully and also question. Sometimes we feel that we know the question. We feel that okay, I understand the question properly, but but that is a myth. Sometimes we misunderstand the question. So I recommend you to understand the question completely, fully, and try to catch the magic word, and it will help you in picking the answer. And mistake three, Python versus C Sharp. AI-102 exam contain two programming. One is Python and another is C Sharp. So many of us may be strong at Python. Even I also very good at Python. But I prepared the exam with the C Sharp. So what I did was okay. I prepared the exam C Sharp, but I have a strong experience with Python. In the exam, we should select either Python or C Sharp. In my first attempt, I selected C Sharp. Immediately, I felt stressed. Oh, I am very good at Python. I don't know C Sharp. So maybe I don't know what kind of questions I may get. So likewise, I got some negative thoughts. I thought I needed strong coding skills in C Sharp. That stress affected my confidence. Later, I realized it was unnecessary. Why? The AI exam does not test deep coding skills. It will check only the concept of programming and key features of the Azure AI and the architecture. So, basic understanding is enough. So, later I realized this strong coding skills is unnecessary. The AI 102 exam does not test deep coding skills. Okay, remember that. For my next attempt, I joined late. I joined the exam process 50 minutes before the exam. I started but Pearson requires 30 minutes early check-in. This includes room scan and system checks. I ignored this rule. That was another mistake. So Pearson asked me, Pearson asked me to reschedule the exam. I booked the exam again. This time, I prepared properly. I started early. I stayed calm. I treated it seriously. And even I revised the concept again and again. This time, everything went smoothly. I managed my time well. I answered all questions. I understood the case study clearly, and I got the first question as the case study. But in my first attempt, I got in the last. So I answered 6 questions from the case study. I passed the exam successfully. My final score was 772. I felt really good. Some YouTube videos explain old Azure AI features. Azure services change very fast. I mean, few features. Old content can be misleading. For example, if you follow any YouTube or dump other than Microsoft documentation, you may see old features. So you need to follow proper explanation for those outdated features. In my first attempt, this confused me in the first attempt. This is a common mistake anyway. I successfully overcame this issue in my next attempt. I used ChatGPT to clear my doubts in this area. It helped me map old features to new ones. It explained concepts in simple language. It saved a lot of time, improved my clarity. This made a big difference. My confidence has been improved. So, what we should do in revision before the exam or 2 days before the exam? For quick revision, I used John Saville's study cram. So, this is the YouTube channel. This is the video. This is the link. It covers important topics clearly. It is very useful before the exam, especially when time is limited. It helped me connect concepts. I highly recommend it. I watched this video more than 3 times and I have taken the notes. And this video has helped me in case study also because he has explained. Maybe we can say that still we can find the old features in this video. We need to map to new features. So based on the understanding this concept, we can effectively answer the unknown questions even the case study. Microsoft official documentation is very straightforward. So you can see these are the lessons. Okay, you can find very important concepts in the point of exam. It aligned with the exam 100%. Okay, so this uh, each section. So we have different courses, right? Develop generative AI apps in Azure. Develop AI agents on Azure. We can see real-time labs, practice labs. Go through it, each lab, take the notes, and revise them. Okay, we have different timings, right? We have large amount of time is required to complete all these things. I think if we follow previous question papers, and maybe in the exam point of view, you can focus on few concepts uh, strongly, then it will help you. So do not memorize blindly, focus on understanding. And once you complete all these sections, practice terms. You can find them in YouTube. Dream achieved. Failing once was really very difficult, but I did not give up. In my first attempt, I got 686 marks. Passing score is 700. And my next attempt, I got 772. This is my failed report, and this is passed report. So I learned from my mistakes. I corrected my approach. Finally, I achieved my goal. This moment, I felt very special. My dream has been achieved. So ask me anything. If you have any doubts, ask me. If you are confused about any topic, ask me. I will explain based on my experience. I will keep it simple. I want to help others succeed. That's my intention. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this presentation helped you. All the best for your AI 102 exam. Prepare well and stay calm. You can definitely clear it. Thank you once again. Bye.